Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by picking the map app and saving power. Keep Wi-Fi on and battery above 30% so the download completes. Open Apple Maps or Google Maps and search the town, neighborhood, or route you need. Zoom until the visible area matches your offline needs. In Google Maps, tap your profile, choose Offline Maps, then select your own map and save. Once done, confirm the file size and name. This ensures you have the right area stored for later use without data. Continue by managing the download so it fits your device. Go to Settings within the Maps app and inspect Offline Storage or Offline Maps to see saved regions and sizes in MB or GB. Delete outdated regions or update them to refresh the data. This prevents surprises when you go offline. If you run low on space, remove large unused maps or offload apps. Make a quick screenshot of critical directions as a backup, since images take less space, and provide a simple reference when needed. To finish, verify offline functionality. Switch off Wi-Fi and cellular, then open the Maps app and navigate the saved area to confirm tiles and search work. If you see blank tiles or missing data, restart the app and re-download the region, making sure you had enough storage and a stable connection when saving. If turn-by-turn routing fails, toggle location services in Settings, update the app, or reboot the iPhone. These steps resolve most offline map glitches and restore reliable navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.